Good morning and welcome to PacRobo Pulse for Monday, January 5, 2026. Markets opened the new trading week with a split tone as investors rotated within equities, favoring value and cyclicals while remaining selective around high-growth technology names. Let's break it down. The S&P 500 edged higher, up 0.19%. The Dow Jones led the market, climbing 0.66%, while the Nasdaq 100 slipped 0.17%, highlighting an early week rotation rather than broad risk-on behavior. Under the surface, leadership continues to narrow. Artificial intelligence remains the market's dominant long-term theme, but investors are clearly becoming more disciplined about valuation. Mega-cap leaders with scale and profitability, including Nvidia, Amazon, Alphabet, Microsoft, and TSMC, continue to anchor portfolios, while more speculative AI and software names remain under pressure. Commodities delivered some of the most notable moves. Coffee surged, driven by strength in the Brazilian real, flooding concerns in Indonesia, and shrinking ICE inventories. Cocoa remained firm, supported by tightening supply from West Africa. In contrast, cotton weakened on soft demand signals, while corn and soybeans traded mixed on export data. Energy markets stayed cautious. Crude oil slipped modestly as traders looked ahead to the upcoming OPEC meeting and continued to price in surplus expectations later in 2026, keeping a lid on energy stocks despite occasional bounces. Currency and rate dynamics shaped early year positioning. The US dollar strengthened modestly, supported by firmer treasury yields and cooling unemployment claims. That dollar strength kept pressure on gold and silver while reinforcing select rotations within equities. Sector-wise, cybersecurity remained a bright spot. Names like CrowdStrike, Zscaler, and Palo Alto Networks continue to benefit from AI-driven threat demand, even as broader technology sentiment remains selective. Industrials and travel-linked names also drew interest as investors positioned for steady global recovery themes. By the close, the message was clear. This was a rotation session, not a reversal. Investors are entering 2026 with intention, favoring execution, cash flow, and durability over speculative growth. That's your Monday briefing from PacRobo Pulse, a mixed open to the week shaped by internal rotations, commodity divergence, and a market learning how to move forward with discipline. Stay sharp, stay strategic, and I'll catch you in the next update.